Hello, hello, parents bien qui j'ennuie, c'est Miss Jerome-Severe qui vini encore pour me lire une histoire pour Timonio. Pas oublier, fait Timonio garder vidéo yo, comme ça pour yo kapon vocabulaire yo, les yo kon vocabulaire yo comme ça. Les professeurs parlent, yo ka partager information avec professeur. Ok, je dis un livre ça m'a lire meet your emotion. Inside out, meet your emotion. Emotion. Ki sa emotion vle di? Emotion vle di, feelings, sentiment, jon senti ou. Ok, so nou pale de emotion. First emotion na, c'est joy. Joy. Your emotion is joy. What is joy? Joy is being happy. Joy is saying, yay, yahoo. You're jumping. That's when you're very happy. When mommy brings you a treat, when mommy takes you to the park, you have joy. Next emotion is gonna talk about sadness. Sadness, that's your next emotion. Look at her face. How does she feel? How does she look? You see, she has a sad face on. So she's very sad. So let's see some other sad faces. Oh, sometimes when you're sad, you cry. Huh? You cry. You crier, l'autre triste. Huh? Sad vle di triste. When you're sad, you cry. And sometimes when you're sad, you... That's when you're sighing. You sigh. You go... Sometimes when you're sad, you cry. Oh... That's when you're very sad. Okay, let's look at the next emotion. The next emotion is fear. What did I say it is? Fear. Fear means that you're afraid of something. You're afraid. Okay? You're afraid of something. All right? So that's fear. Like you could be afraid of the dog, or you could be afraid of the dog. I'm afraid of dogs. So that's a fear. Some children are afraid to go down the slide, or you're afraid when you go on a very fast ride. Okay, so that's what fear means. You are afraid. All right, this is the next one. Look at her face. She is not happy. You are disgust. That means you are not happy. What does that mean? You are not happy. Yuck. Ew. Okay, disgust me. Let's say that you're eating something, or even better. Let's say that you're smelling your socks. How do you think your socks smell? Good? Yuck. That is disgusting. That's her face. Disgusting. So when you smell baby's diaper, ooh, disgusting. Right? So that's disgust. Or when you taste something and it doesn't taste good. Like me, I don't like applesauce. So when I put applesauce in my mouth, I go, ugh, yuck, nasty. So I don't like applesauce, so it's disgust. Here's the next one. Oh my goodness, he is anger. Anger means angry. Like for example, if your friends hit you, right? If your friends hit you, how do you feel? Angry. Do you sometimes feel frustrated? Like you want to scream? That is anger. Yes. Or when your friends take your toys from you, you feel very angry, right? You feel very angry. So this boy, oh my goodness, he feels so angry. Look at that. He has fire coming out his ears. What does he have? Fire coming out, and his mouth is going. "Arr!" And look at his face. He is not happy. He is not happy. So when you're angry, do you throw things? No. Do you hit people? No. No, you don't do that. You just tell mommy and daddy, I am angry. We don't hit people and we don't throw things. All right? How do you feel? How do you feel? Let's look at the different. How do you feel? And let's go to this one. How do you feel? She feels happy, right? She feels happy. And she feels sad. And he feels angry. And she like, ugh, stinky socks. Disgusting. And what do you think my friend over here feels? He feels scared. Alright, so I'm going to turn the book again and we're gonna look at let's talk about when you feel joy, you be nice to your friends, right? Joy means you're happy. You're smiling and you're being nice to your friends and you helping your friends. You say nice words to your mommy. You say nice words to your daddy and you're smiling. That's joy. That's being happy. Sad means you're not happy. Your heart hurt. Somebody says something not nice to you. Or you're feeling sad. You're feeling sad. Maybe mommy went to work and you didn't get a chance to see her. So you're feeling sad. You're missing mommy. You're missing your daddy or your grandma. Or you're just feeling sad. Remember this one, what I said once? This one is fear. Fear is when you're afraid. You're afraid of something. You don't like to do it because you're afraid. Maybe you're afraid to go down the slide. Like me, I don't like to go on a roller coaster. I'm afraid of roller coasters. So that's a fear. I don't like roller coasters. No. Okay. And disgust. Disgust is when something, not good. When something is not good. Maybe you don't like, maybe you don't, the baby's diaper. Your mommy say, take the baby diaper. And then the baby diaper doesn't smell good. You're like, ooh, disgusting. Yes, disgust means something not good. Maybe it doesn't taste good. Or maybe it doesn't smell good. Ooh, yuck. And the last one is anger. Anger. Okay? Anger. What makes you angry? Sometimes your friends take something away from you. Your toys. Or maybe your sister hit you. Or your brother hit you. Or mommy say, don't do that. And mommy give you a pow pow. Okay? Or mommy go like this. It makes you angry. But when you're angry, do you throw things? No, you don't throw things. You could tell mommy, I'm sad. I got in trouble. Or you could talk, but do you throw things? No. All right, so that is the story of today, and the story say, meet your emotion. These are different ways that we feel. Ok, histoire ça te basé sur différentes émotions. Gen moun ki attristé. Parents, mon livre montre ti moun ki gen qui gentil moun nan senti lèl gen la joie, li content. Li moun aide ti moun nan comprendre. Lèl peur, lèl attristé. Vous comprenez? Ça c'est lèl attristé, li sad. Gen l'autre qui parle l'elle peur, ok? Ça c'est l'elle peur. L'histoire livre là parler qui j'en senti leur peur. Gen l'autre partie qui parle qui j'en les on baga leur goût on baga, il pas gen bon goût, hein, on dit disgust. Et puis dernier partie hein, parler les ti moun nan fâché. Les ti moun nan fâché au soir, li gen li kon di la kay nou, yo ta di li gen on nerf. So ça veut dire li prend relé en moi. Eh bien, ça a parlé des émotions. So toujours bay ti moun yo opportunité pour yo partager émotion yo, pour yo dou ki ça fait yo ke yo content, ki le yo attristé, ki le yo peur, qui les comme ça pour même pour cap adresser problème non surtout qu'on y a là nous que ti moun yo là ouais yo gen anger issue yo rive dans classe yo graser classe et mais c'est ça que fait moi dit nous parler à ti moun yo pour yo connait qui gens pour yo exprimer tête yo les yo pas senti agay a marcher bien pour yo c'est Miss Jerome encore à bientôt. Pas oublier pour subscribe et peser bouton rouge en bas vidéo pour qu'à joindre l'autre vidéo m'a fait. C'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe. À bientôt.